Hello everyone. This is a demo of Daily Scrum Call being run by an AI-powered digital Scrum Master. This digital Scrum Master is integrated with Teams and Jira. As the Scrum Call starts, DVS Scrum Master fetches the list of Jiras for current sprint and then will go through each of those Jiras with the team members. DVS Scrum Master will run the Scrum like a human Scrum Master does, records update, takes action on blockers. At the end of Scrum Call, DVS Scrum Master can also share the summary, either on screen or on email. Whether your organization is using Teams and other Microsoft Office products or your team is using Google Workspace, DVS Scrum Master is here to take over the ceremonies from you. As we move further, DVS Scrum Master will be able to run all other Agile ceremonies, take care of tracking your project financials. It will also be able to schedule meetings for resolving blockers. Thank you.